First we use Jacob. It's a simple formatting tool. Basically it formats your blank if there is any extra thing there. And we'll choose Visa Credit, delete Jacob files. When you see the prompt on the command screen, that means it's working. We're going forward, we format the Jacob chip. Again, you'll see the prompt, and below the command screen you'll see a pop-up that says that formatted successfully. After that we close Jacob and go to CardPeek. Basically what CardPeek does is it reads the EMV chip, and since we have a blank, it's gonna show us a cold ATR with nothing in it. This process usually takes about a minute or two, or even less, because there's literally nothing in the card. Then we'll jump to the main software. That's the X2. This is the original version that's made by Jabber, and I cannot stress this enough. Please do your research about this and just don't buy it blinded from anyone. Now we'll go to EMV and we'll pull out our fake dump. As you can see, my dump has track 1 and track 2 with the pin. Usually most of the tracks come with just track 2 and the pin, or sometimes not even the pin, but that's alright. You make do with whatever you have, but mostly you need the track 2. As I'm writing, you can use beancheck.io. Usually the first 6 numbers of your track 2 shows what kind of bin it is. Now we'll take our track 2 from the dump and paste it in the X2 where it's supposed to go. Track 2 usually has, not usually, but it must have 37 characters. If it doesn't have 37, you can add zeros to fill it up. Now my dump has track 1, which contains the cardholder's name. As you can see what I'm doing, just paste it exactly as that. And since I checked my bin and it's a debit card, we say Visa debit, it has to be in all caps. And a reminder, if you don't have track 1, you can just click on erase holder name and press space to let go, and then go forward to the application label. Well, I mostly don't like using track 1, like my personal preference, because it doesn't make sense to me to have it if I can just work with track 2. But I mean, it's your personal choice at the end of the day. Before you do that, you go to credit, click on Visa, because it's gonna self-apply track 1. So basically you cleared that out, and just for this video I'm gonna paste the track 1 there. And don't forget to use the writer that you're using. OmniKey so far, personal preference, it's the best for me. Now we'll move forward to the AID. Now every card is an AID. Visa card's AID is 310110. My bad. MasterCard is 41010. Now country codes differ. America has a different one, Canada has a different one. Since I'm in Canada, I use 0124. Currency is going to be the same as the country code. Now we'll move to the expiration date. When you get your dump, the first 4 numbers of track 2 after the equal sign is going to be your expiration date. So basically that's 2023 of February. Now the day is going to be how many days in February. That's 28, as I've written there. Effective date is going to be approximately 4 years before expiration date. So 2018 February, 28 days. We don't touch any of this for now. We'll go to IST generate. I won't get into much details about the IST, but just you need to know that it's basically the blueprint of a card. Your card will not work unless you don't have an IST. Here I used a card that I bought to generate the IST for that bin. Keep in mind the IST has to match the bin, otherwise it won't work. in your case, if you have a vendor that's giving you fresh dumps, he'll probably give you an IST, so you probably don't need to do all the steps that I'm doing right now. But if you get a bin number, if you get a bin of your dump that you have an IST for, a card for, just do what I'm trying to do here. Just make your own IST. And honestly, I prefer to make my own IST because it saves you a lot of effort. And I won't lie to you, there's so many people selling IST packs, and keep in mind, once you use the IST for that bin, it's gonna get burnt. I would say maximum usage twice, it's gonna get burnt. Then you have to make a new IST for that same bin. So yeah, if anyone sells you a pack of ISTs, most probably it's gonna be burnt. It may not work. I don't know. Personally, I don't use it. So in case you get the IST with a dump, you basically go to IST load, wherever it's saved, open it, and just put it there. Now we'll do the exact same steps that we did in ENV. We'll paste track 2, cardholder's name as it is. Just paste it there. And if you didn't put a cardholder's name in the ENV, just don't put anything. It's pointless. Application label is the same. Track 1 is gonna be the same like I did. Just paste it, and the country code, the same thing, 0124 for me. Currency is going to be the same as the country code, 0124. Now the ARCQ token is what we're going to generate now using BP Tools, the crypto calculator. Basically, every card is going to have a different ARCQ token after you, let's say, cash out or just use it, right? So basically you go to ENV 4.2, and then you will see the PAN number in the second section. The PAN number is basically the first digits of your card, what's visible at the front of your debit or credit card. So you paste your PAN number there, and then click on the green lock once, go to the CSK, press the green lock again, then go to ARCQ, press the green lock again. The AC generated, that's what you get. That's your ARCQ token. And you just paste it there. I know many people have tutorials saying that you need all the 3, but honestly, I personally just like using it one time. Now, I want you to go and double check everything. It should be, the IC load should match the ENV. If it matches, you can go to ENV and just press credit and wait for it to happen. After that's done, you can go to the IST load and burn your card. But keep in mind, everything has to match. If it doesn't match, it won't work. The best thing you're gonna get is, let's say you go to an ATM, it's gonna read as a chip error. That's what you're gonna get. Believe me, I've learned all of this through experience, countless trial and errors. Now you go ahead and check your burnt card. If it's successfully burned like mine, you'll get this prompt. Once you see that, that's a good sign that the card burned very well. Now since this is a clone, it's gonna take some time. My time was about, I'd say, 5 to 6 minutes for this to happen. So honestly, just need to wait and see. But I'll say this once: please do your own research before spending money and trusting people blindly. There's so many forums out there. You can literally go on the dark web and search whatever you want to, or you can just use a ClearNet to search whatever the fuck you want. But please do your own research.